Hi, and welcome to this introduction and quick start guide on the TSI Quest Edge8 personal noise dosimeter. The Quest Edge8 is a compact, intrinsically safe instrument designed to measure a worker's noise exposure throughout the day. It helps ensure compliance with workplace noise regulations and supports effective hearing conservation programs. In this video, we'll cover parameters that the Edge8 can measure, use cases in the field, what comes in the kit, and general setup steps. When hiring the Edge8 from your local AMET scientific office, the kit will include the Edge8 personal noise dosimeter with attached microphone and windscreen, the Edge Connect docking station in either a single or 5-way bay depending on your configuration and the number of units, a universal charger, a USB cable for PC connection, and a calibration certificate. Setting up the TSI Edge8 requires the use of the TSI Detection Management Software, or DMS. This is required to configure parameters like criterion level, threshold, exchange rate, and measurement duration. Up to 4 virtual dosimeters can run simultaneously. Through the DMS software, you can also enable features such as octave band analysis, auto run, and audio recording. Before using the Edge8, ensure the unit is fully charged. To charge the unit, place the dosimeter onto the Edge Connect docking station. A flashing red LED means charging, and a solid green indicates a full charge. To power on your Edge8, press and hold the on-off button. The splash screen will show the serial number and firmware before entering the measurement view. Getting the most accurate results from the Edge8 starts with wearing it correctly. Proper placement and fit are essential to ensure it captures the worker's true noise exposure throughout the shift. Clip and attach the unit securely to your shirt as shown with the microphone near the ear. Ensure the windscreen is fitted and intact. Confirm the battery supply level before starting a study. Whilst wearing the device, you can check the LED status indicators. A green light indicates the unit is running and below the dose limit. An amber light indicates the unit has stopped recording. And a red light indicates that the dose has been exceeded. A calibration ensures the readings you get are accurate and reliable, giving you confidence in the noise exposure data. Always calibrate the unit before and after each noise measurement run using a signed calibrator. To calibrate your Edge8, first remove the windsock from the microphone. Next, turn on and attach your signed calibrator. After a couple seconds, the unit will enter calibration mode. Press Enter to confirm. Next, adjust your readings using the up and down soft keys until you reach your desired 114 decibels. Press Enter to accept the calibration. The unit will display your calibration results, as well as the time and date the unit was calibrated. With the device ready, let's walk through how to run a study. To begin, press and hold the soft key button to begin your log. A green LED will indicate that the device is recording. To exclude breaks or travel time and ensure accurate results, use the pause function. To add timestamped voice notes or enable automatic audio recording for noise events, press and hold the dedicated button while speaking clearly into the microphone. When you've completed your study, press and hold the stop button to cease monitoring. The TSI Quest Edge8 personal noise dosimeter is a powerful, intrinsically safe tool that simplifies workplace noise monitoring. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AMET scientific office and we'll be happy to help.